you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. We just had Sensational Cloud9, their What Lace series. Y'all know I love this series. So we do have Adanna in the building. I think it's Adanna. But y'all look at this hairline. Come through Sensational. Y'all already know how I feel out their Cloud9 series. It's flawless, okay? But this is what the hair looks like straight out the packaging. I am going to flip her inside out so you guys can see the full construction of her. This is the lace portion. It's like a frontal, okay? It comes with 3 combs in total, and it does come with a pair of drawstrings at the nape. So I did have to go ahead and put her on my mannequin head just so you guys could see this hairline. Definitely could have did a little bit more plucking on this side right here, on the sides, because baby, y'all gotta be consistent because it wasn't consistent for me. The middle is definitely plucked, but on the sides they definitely could go in just a little bit more and pluck that. So we're going to go ahead and tint the lace before anything, okay? Please make sure your lace is matching your skin. I ain't going to stress it. I ain't going to say it again. Stop doing that. You know that ain't your skin tone, okay? But anyway, I'm using my Ebony Tint Spray. This is in the shade medium dark brown. And I'm going to make sure I get every area. Now, I did miss those 2 white pockets on the sides, but I'm going to go back in and get them because I missed them. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go in and use my hot comb to just hot comb this hairline. I am trying to decide whether I want a middle part or a side part in this clip. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything is laid back. Now, this wig in particular did come with the baby hairs already out, but I did push it back into the hairline. Like I said, for synthetic wigs, don't have your heat up too high or it can change the texture of your wig, and you do not want that unless you do. But I always keep mine in between the 5 and the 10, and that's pretty much medium low heat. So I decided on a middle part. Y'all know, if y'all watch me for a minute, y'all know I hate middle parts. But these last few weeks here, middle parts have grown on me. I don't know what has come over me, but middle part has been my best friend, and I'm just gravitating toward them now. So y'all, yeah. So once I do finally get this part, I'm gonna have to go back in with the hot comb because she is just lifted. Like the roots will be lifted in this area, and y'all see that? Sis, we're not going out like that. Not today, okay? So I do make sure to hot comb that down to make sure it's super flat. So now I'm just gonna get rid of the lace, okay? Do not leave too much lace on, you know, because it's not cute, and it's just a dead giveaway that you're wearing a freaking wig, okay? No one has time to be clocked, so make sure you get rid of it, okay? And I personally cut fairly close to the hairline because I just feel like the less lace I have to deal with, the better. That's just my opinion, though. You can leave how much you want, but yeah. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go in and use my handy dandy got to be glue. Now I like to layer up. Like I said, this is a date night type of video, so I'm gonna be inside, okay? I'm not gonna be outside. Just not me. Not with no got to be glue spray, because it will lift. Now it actually depends on you and if you sweat a lot or not, because me, if I use got to be glue outside, baby, my wig is gonna slide on back. It's just gonna slide back. Ain't nobody got time for that. So anyway, y'all, I am starting from the middle and then doing left to right or right to left. You have to work in sections where you have a frontal because you want to make sure everything is laid nice and flat, okay? No bumps, no lumps, no crinkles, none of that, okay? This wig is actually snug, so this wig could be a glueless wig. I would just have to secure down the sides. The middle was kind of snug, so honestly, would I say big head friendly? Probably not, because like I said, the middle on its own, I didn't even need to add the got to be glued to that section. I could have just added to the sides and been completely fine. But anyway, got to be glued. My process to install my wigs are exactly the same. You always want to make sure the hairspray is tacky before you lay it down, and you always want to make sure you do have your blow dryer on a cool heating setting. All right, so now it's time for me to get a new elastic band, but we're gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. So y'all know I am nothing without my baby hairs, okay? I am nothing. So I am just doing a little bit of baby hairs, 2 in the front and like 2 on the sides by my sideburns, just to give the wig a little bit of oomph. You can do what you want. You don't have to add baby hairs, okay? Let me just put this out here. Y'all be mindful that this wig is synthetic. It'd be a lot of people saying that on the videos, and I don't know if you guys are not listening or you're not watching, but if y'all can tell by the price that these units are, y'all should know right where in the world you're not getting a virgin wig, a virgin hair unit for $40. Sis, where? Because no, you really get what you pay for. And if you don't like synthetic units, you don't have to let me know. Just go over to my virgin hair units. I have a ton on my channel. Okay, but back to the video. Like I said, ew, that was nasty. That gel, ew. But anyway, y'all, I will have the products to what I used listed down in the description section. I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop my baby hairs to my likings. It takes me a minute to do my baby hairs, but I do cut all out that extraness because y'all be like, if you don't hurry up, okay, hurry up. So now I'm just going in to do my final touch-ups. I do want a little bump towards the top. I've been gravitating towards the little bumps in the front of the wigs a lot lately too. I don't know. It's just something about it. But this wig in particular, y'all, is definitely giving me grown and sexy, okay? So that's why I turned this into like a date night video, because I feel like this unit would be perfect for date nights. However, you can use them for birthdays, holidays, senior pictures, whatever the case may be, baby. Yes. Okay. Yes. And I love this. This synthetic hair definitely, I cannot talk. Definitely mimics our hair when it's blown out and curled, y'all. It's definitely giving us that. But y'all see me here defining this part with some cream foundation because we need that part to pop. So lastly, I am just going in to detangle the hair. I did get a few snags here and there during this process. I definitely did get shedding. Be mindful this wig, again, I'm gonna say it again, this wig is synthetic, so you're definitely gonna get shedding with this unit, and you're gonna get tangling from time to time. So this is the end of the video. Do you guys think is date night ready? Date night approved? What you guys think? What you guys think, y'all? She is grown and sexy, and she is giving me so much life. I'm obsessed with Adanna. Is it Adanna? Look at this, y'all. She turned out hecka good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts. All the information in regards to this hair, all the products I use will be listed down in the description section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.